Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I thought I'd update you on my trading journey. If this is the first video you've seen of mine, I've been trading for just over a year. I'm still not profitable, but I feel like I'm on the right track. But let me try and find the trade I took the other day. Oh, here. So I took this trade and I closed out this morning because I just wanted to lock in the profit, because one of the problems I have is I never confirm my profit. So on the daily I could see where it came past here, stop these people out, stop these people out, stop these people out, and I'll go down to the smaller time frame. So I was watching price around here, and then when this candle went above here, I took a short, and then it shot down and went back up. And it's probably going to keep doing this now on the way down, but I just closed it out because I wanted to lock in that profit. I probably should have saved it, but I've just entered or maybe, wait, give me 1 second. Oh no, here. I entered this position this morning, but I'm already annoyed at myself because I took it way too early. So I did what I always do. I was on the daily time frame. Ooh. And I could see where the price had stopped out all these people. It came down. So I started working my way down the time frames to the 4 hour. Saw it came below here. Then on the 1 hour, and this is what I keep doing wrong. I need to just stick to the daily, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and just take the, because I'm still kind of new to this, just stay there. Because when I go down to the 15 and the 5 minute, I kind of like create a bias and convince myself that I should enter now, but then when I zoom out, I'm like, why did I just take that trade? So you can see where it's now like forming another flag below this point where it's come down. And I took the trade up here, which makes no sense because I'm looking for a buy. I want to be buying low when it comes past. If I go to the 15 minute, yeah, you can see I'm not sure why I took the buy there, because even when I took the trade, I was like, oh yeah, it's probably going to come back down here and stop these people out. So that's why I need to start waiting on the hour candle. But I still think I took this way too early. I feel like it's now going to come like down, stop these people out, come up, then form a flag, then go up. But yeah, I'm just going to leave just see what happens. And then I also took a trade on my FTMO account, which was, I took another trade, but I closed it because I knew I was wrong. But this is GBP New Zealand. I'll show you why I took this trade. 1 second. Let me just zoom out. Yeah, so I took this trade on my FTMO because I saw where prices come down, stop these people out, and then you can see it's kind of forming a flag to then continue on. So when I see that, and I see the candles gone past the other candle, then I start, as always, working down the time frame. So now I'm on the 4 hour time frame, and I just saw here it's come down, stopped all these people out, and then I went to the hour time frame here, and I just saw again. I keep entering way too early. I should have seen that the candle isn't closed for another 15 minutes, but I just saw a big wick and then entered long and then put my stop loss below the wick. But I should have waited, because now I feel like it's definitely gonna, that it's definitely gonna stop me out because I didn't wait for the hour candle to close. But yeah, I will let you know how it goes. So I was right. I literally, oh god, I keep doing that. I literally just got stopped out of that trade, and this is the like battle I'm dealing with inside my head. I keep forgetting every day. When I wake up, I can't just wake up, go down the pairs, look at the chart, then enter the trade. My problem is, like I just said, I go down the chart, look for entries, and then just take the entry as soon as I wake up. I need to wait for the goddamn hour to close, because then I can really see which way, and it can just give me more confidence. But for some reason, I'm such an impulsive person where I want to always be in a trade, because I feel like if I'm not in a trade, then I'm like missing out on money or like potential. But I think, as Ibi Ansari said, it's like you can make more money sitting on your hands and just waiting and watching the market. So I'm trying to teach myself just to be more patient and wait. Yeah, but but yeah, we have 10 more minutes. Let's quickly go down this trade again to see why I took it, to remind myself. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, so I've seen that the price has come below all these lows, and it's probably going to look to come back up to take these people out. But where the price has come up to here, it's looking to eventually come down to here. But before, it needs to get more money. So because it's now come past here, it's going to come back up here, then go back down. That I'm looking for. So we go to the 4 hour, then the 1 hour. But here is a lot more promising to enter, because now it's I always, in my head, I'm always thinking, when I want to take a buy, I need to find a pattern where the price is the very low, if that makes sense, low within the price pattern. So here it's low within this like pattern, so that should be a good time to get in. Whereas before, when I entered up here, it's high and I'm trying to take a buy. But if it was reversed and I'm looking to take a short, I want it to be higher up in the pattern to then take a short, if that makes sense. The 15 minute and the 1 minute, and then maybe we'll just start seeing here shoot up and then create these patterns and go up. But yeah, I'm probably going to enter again when it gets to when this 1 hour candle closes, and set my stop loss just below the wick. So just an update, it is 6 minutes until this candle closes. It's the London session. Yeah, I'm going to enter when the hour candle closes, because it's looking promising where it's wicked up. And something on the Falcon course that really helped me was like, normally I place a lot of trades when it's reverse, when it's like up the patterns and looking to go down for shorts. But on buys, the person in this webinar thing I watched, or the video, was talking about how it's a lot harder to see with like the human eye, like in this way, because when you go down, it's like harder to see. But then what I do if I get confused, I go to the invert scale, and you can really see it's a lot easier to tell that, like, oh, this will be a good chance to buy because we wicked up here, if that makes sense. So the hour candle, the hour candle closed, but I was expecting the candle to continue wicking and then the next candle straight would go up, but that didn't happen. The hour candle closed, and this candle now went past it, which is fine, because on my other trade, I thought it was then like, I wasn't going to wait, but then I just wait for this candle to start wicking, and then I enter it, because again, we're in a good position where it's taken this liquidity, and now it's come down to take these people. But yeah, this is a really good time to enter. And I think what Falcon was saying, you can go down. I'm trying not to use low time frames because it can get confusing, but if you then use like the 5 minute, you can then wait for it to shoot up, then do like another mini flag, then go up, if that makes sense. But I'm probably just gonna wait for this to really wick to enter. So I just entered, oh crap, so I've just entered the trade. It is 9:26, and the reason I entered the trade is because if I can work down the time frames, I saw on this new candle where it started to wick up, but then I kept working my way down the 15, the 5 minute, and then on the 1 minute, I kind of just saw where it was like equaling out. I probably should wait for a higher confirmation on the higher time frame, but I'm so impatient is what I'm working on, but hopefully it will be okay. And then I set my take profit at the top of this, but I'll probably close it before it gets there. But yeah, that's why I entered the trade. But I thought I would just explain, watching that clip back, I keep switching between the pairs. I'm still an absolute mess with trading. I'm not organised whatsoever. So this is why I'm doing these videos, so I can look back and be able to see my behavior patterns and what I do. Because like even then I switched pairs and didn't even realise, like, well, I just switched pairs to find a different trade. But yeah, I need to focus on every morning waking up, looking down the pairs, finding ones that have potential, and then put it on my main watch. And then instead of just entering it, even though I know it's not a good setup and that it could go the opposite direction, I need to actually wait, sit on my hands and wait for it to get to the point I need it to be to then enter the trade. Because I keep waffling, but like I said, I need to get through my thick skull, bash myself in the head that I need to wait and be patient for it to get to where I want it to be to then enter the trade, because every goddamn morning I do the same thing and it's driving me insane. Because I am a broken person. But yes, thank you for watching.